I'm gonna do you.
Keep yourself quiet. Sure. You just have little patience. You can't, and you want me to get nervous, you know.
She keep on and bust it out of the place.
Sure.
Shelantin, awesomeness. Shelantin, awesome. Shelantin, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Shaw family. We're chilling with the Shaw family.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yes guys, welcome back. And we are home with nothing to do. And one of us came up with the idea of wrapping the other one in something. It so happens guys that something is what they call toilet paper. And me happen to be the subject of the toilet paper. So let's see how much she can wrap my entire body in toilet paper, guys.
But before we get into that, we want to welcome all new subscribers. Welcome to our channel. Please remember to like the video, leave a comment, share with a friend, and subscribe to our channel if you don't already.
Click the magic button, people, the red button. Click it, click it.
So we are Shell and Ten.
Awesome.
Sheldon and Tanisha.
Awesome, people. And we're just trying to have some fun, you know?
Guys, he said that I should wrap him in toilet
We
paper.
never say if we do it. We kind of debate, and me end up to be in the subject. Because I didn't want to wrap her up in it, but she will. So I'm just okay, I'll take it.
If not,
I'll take it.
I'll give it to him. Okay?
So, let me see what she can do, people.
So, guys, I will have my toilet papers right here with me. And I'm gonna get started. So, where we start from? Your foot?
No, you do it. I not know if you do. I know you want to start from.
Alright.
Yeah, Jane and background people.
So, like, wrap your foot together. Just.
If I was doing it to you, I don't know what I would do.
Alright, guys, watch me.
So she is supposed to wrap my entire body in toilet paper, people.
This is not easy, you know.
That's how I do one deal.
You
You want to switch? You want to switch?
You can do me after. Lord of mercy.
You want to switch?
No.
Fuck's sake. But I'm not supposed to move, you know. But I hurt yet.
No, I'm good, man. I'm good.
Yeah, I think you can come up now.
Are you determined?
Aye.
Go and talk to people them. Sure.
Sure. So peeps, we didn't search all of YouTube, so we don't know if this was done before, and you know we probably could have gotten some pointers on how to do it properly, but we never look. We just decided, say, we're going for this. So, so she's like 2% of the way, people. Cheer on.
Guys, I'm good with my hands, so I'll get it done.
Go, Tanisha. Go, Ten.
Wrap up them big two, then two I need to wrap up. Yeah, go take a selfie.
I say you have enough body, you know, so that's the way you don't know, enough body, enough body.
Well, if we go take a selfie when it's done.
Take a picture so they can see. Right, oh, you have grown the babes. Somebody up and then you to the wall, you know.
Don't move.
Alright.
Oh God. You can't move.
Come help you.
Guys, you think that this is easy? It's a chat. Let's tell me one stronger toilet paper.
What am I seeing straight? That's what I'm here still.
The toilet paper is soft like butter.
Keep on goodbye. Yes, the road. Just don't pull upon it. Just don't pull upon it, yeah? Back I heard you.
Tired.
This is a workout, people. It's a workout for her. When she done, she'll lose about 110 pounds. Go on up. Yeah.
This wasn't a good idea at all.
Don't make it bust.
Okay.
We can do you. We got so much time for the bottle. I'm gonna do you.
Keep yourself quiet. Sure. You just have little patience. You can't, and you want me to get nervous, you know.
Keep on and bust it out of the paper.
Sure. You make me get nervous when you expect. We have more than enough. Don't worry about that. Just keep yourself steady. Guys, we're tired, you know? Yo, this is too much. Alright. We can't seem to pass this. So.
Stress. Let's take it down. Don't burst it. You may more if you.
That's why I help you still, you know.
Don't bust it. Don't bust it. Take it down.
Keep yourself quiet now. You're getting me nervous, you know. Alright, let it go now. I like me job myself, you know. I really want to help. Keep yourself quiet. You know, I'm going to wrap up your hand then. Because
people, all I'm doing is trying to help right now.
I'm wrap up your hand then, because we can't bother.
Watch there.
Put the hand together now. Guys, this harder than I thought. Put the hand in the lips.
People, don't try this at home. Jesus.
Alright. You can't touch nothing I know, so me alright. Guys, you can't touch nothing I know, so I'm good. Come here, flow easy when you hand them. Oh, good.
People, I'm silent.
Thank you. Can't wait to rub up your face.
Bad.
Kiss me. How are you feeling?
You want to do you?
You want to do me?
I give it to you.
But I'm here to do your first. Guys, this burn a lot of calories. Guys, I want to cover my face and the whole head right now. I want to do that.
Now we shall love people. Yes, again.
Right, the kind of people are softly. I must bottom them make it far.
Okay, let's see, could have made it. You almost finished one roll, you know?
I say you're big. I say you're big, that's one roll. I tell you if I can cover you. I get one scarf. Mr. Awesomeness Challenge. Mr. Awesomeness. You're wearing the sash of Mr. Awesomeness.
Thank you, man.
Guys, so one toilet paper finished already, so we're going on the second one.
You know how much body this could have weighed?
So how you want your face wrap up?
Anything you want to do.
You can't go see me I know, you know. You can't go see me
Can I
because...
take some picture, right?
Yeah. You want picture? You want snap? I want to tell everybody so your fiance wrap you up in a tiny paper. Guys, look at the outfit. I have to order before the outfit gets spoiled. You're handsome.
Even this don't feel right.
Oh God! Guys, that challenge make me sweat. I sweat, boy. I sweat.
Okay, get it from Fiance. Mind me drop.
Where you put your phone? Come on, use it to take the picture.
Phone's supposed to be up on the table.
Guys, you know I want only 2 roll pan him. Guys, remember to comment below and tell me what you think of this challenge. Oh God, this is a challenge.
I don't know.
No more than 2 roll of this. You can see?
No, I can't see.
You not see?
Like when you cover my face and upper body, you can't just take a picture now.
Alright, where's the phone so we can take the picture?
I can take the picture using from the camera or so. Just press picture, just press camera button.
Guys, I'm tired. Next time I'll ask for some help. guys, this say feel giddy, so I'm gonna stop you now.
I'm suffocating, guys.
This say feel giddy. So I'm gonna stop.
Take picture.
And take some picture.
Alright.
Yeah. Hey, how look that? Hey, smile. Say cheese.
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 Say I love you, baby.
I love you, baby.
How much you love me?
Many times.
Alright. Okay.
We I don't know.
That picture me I take.
Oh.
Yes, so just smile.
You can't tear it off now?
No.
So you've gone so far.
Miracle.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah, smile.
Yeah.
Smile, you know.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's alright.
Oh, God. Alright, smile, class.
Yeah.
No wonder when your face is zoom up.
Alright.
No wonder when your face is zoom up.
Guys, me have to wait him up. Me have to wait him up. We deserve it.
I'm gonna get you back for this now, baby. So we're not doing a prank. Is this a prank?
A mini prank. Guys, a mini prank. You say not in a prank, but this is a mini prank to get him started.
Seriously? Yeah, try to jam me out today. Jesus Christ.
Oh, tell people that always experience.
People will never expect no one. She said she had to take a picture. A picture me expect.
Guys,
so what up my clothes?
in my head from prank, but you get prank. You get prank.
Take them off for me, take them off. Yeah, really yucky. Jesus. Yeah.
Me not put them off and put them on. Guys, thank you so much for watching us. Remember to like, leave a comment, share with a friend, tell them about Shellington awesomeness. Thank you for watching. Did I say a prank?
We're going to prank.